guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with another product empties video today. I'm going to show you all the products that I've emptied in the month of March. So I have with me skincare products, hair care products, body care, as well as a little bit of makeup. I know you guys love watching the product empties videos on my channel. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding all of these videos in a playlist so that अगर आप लोग को बहुत सारे products के बारे में जानने का मन करे, you can check out my playlist because all my videos will be a part of that playlist. Now, before we jump into the video and show you all the products that I've managed to empty, let's give a moment for my hair. I mean, I have cut my hair today. I've got a hair spa done as well. I mean, I love the bounce, I love the shine, I love the volume that my hair is giving me. I love the face framing layers. I love it. I love all of it. Please let me know if you are liking the haircut that you're seeing right now on my hair. If you do, please like this video and of course subscribe भी जरूर कर लेना. I'm loving my haircut. मैंने बहुत टाइम से haircut नहीं करवाया था. I think it's been about 10 months कि मैंने haircut नहीं करवाया था. So I was really getting like bad split end issues and all of that, and I think my hair needed this like refreshed look. Like I really was in the need of a makeover, and considering that it's summer, it's so hot, I think it's going to be my summer haircut and I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, I think enough spoken about my hair. Without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. As always, I've collected all the product empties right here in this basket, and पूरा ही basket almost भर गया है, so काफी सारे products है. Really excited to talk to you guys about all of these products, okay? And of course, I will be mentioning the links of all of these products in the description box, and I will let you know कि मैं इनको repurchase करूंगी कि नहीं in the future. So let's start. सबसे पहले we will start with a shower gel. I have with me the Black Orchid and Juniper Scent body wash from Lux. I have this humongous bottle in my hand. Now, will I be repurchasing this? Of course, I will be repurchasing this. Now, this has a very beautiful floral smell and that typical luxurious vibe that Lux body washes give you, If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. It's very gentle as well. And I think with the summer season, you guys are going to love the feeling of this, the fragrance of this. And it's a humongous bottle of 750 ml and it's priced at rupees 400, which is the MRP. But Nykaa पे, Amazon पे sales चलते ही रहते हैं, so do check out the sales. I think you're gonna get this very amazing body wash at a very good price. I am definitely repurchasing this in the future. Not just the Black Orchid and Juniper Scent variant. I love a few other variants from Lux also a lot, and I'm gonna repurchase all of those, rest assured. Alright, next up I have with me the Passion Fruit and Sulfur mask from Dr. Shades. This is what this mask looks like. Now this mask basically comes with 1% niacinamide, kaolin clay, bentonite clay, passion fruit oil and 5% sulfur. Now this one was a very good face mask, no doubt about it. It really used to cleanse my face very thoroughly. It used to give me like a bright skin and I loved using it. But being a dry skin girl, I always felt like it's too dry and too flaky for my skin to handle, if you know what I mean. Like I'm a person now who likes creamy clay masks much more, which is why I love the mask from Foxtail, their Radiance mask. Then I love the masks from Plum. But this one, I think I will not be repurchasing only because I feel like there are better alternatives for me in the market which are better suited for my dry skin. But if you're an oily skin girl, I think it's going to work perfectly for you. But for me, being a very dry skin person, it's not a very comfortable or enjoyable feeling. And I like to do like clay masks as a part of my lazy Sundays and my self-care routine. So I would like to enjoy that process, which is why I don't think I will be repurchasing this. However, if you are an oily skin girl, you're gonna love this. Now it's the summer season and I have absolutely emptied a sunscreen. Not me, actually, we have emptied a sunscreen, me and Vivek. I have with me the Lotus Safe Sun sunscreen. This is the one which is the matte one, okay? 3-in-1 matte look daily sunscreen, which comes with SPF 40 and PA++, paraben free, and this is suitable for all skin types. Now this sunscreen from Lotus is like a holy grail product for us because this we have been using for years and years, okay, and we absolutely absolutely love this sunscreen. Now I am not a oily skin person, so you might be wondering कि dry skin है तो matte sunscreen क्यों use करना है? That is because Mumbai के humid weather में when we are going to work in the mornings, it is very very hot, humid outside, so you tend to sweat because once you apply sunscreen, sweating tendency increases, right? So if you use a matte sunscreen, it's gonna be better and it's gonna like stay on your skin throughout the day. If you use something which is too oily or chipchipa, it will just come off and layer off with your sweat. So कोई फायदा तो होगा नहीं वो apply करने का. Which is why we have tried other sunscreens as well. I will not say that I have not liked any other sunscreen, but if I have to pick that one sunscreen which I will keep going back to, it will be this 3-in-1 matte sunscreen from Lotus. I know a lot of people don't talk about this. I really don't know why. It's very very underrated, undervalued in the market. There are lots and lots of new brands coming up with new sunscreens. I'm aware of that. Their products are also good, but I think for the hot and humid weather of Mumbai, this particular sunscreen does a fab job because it is absolutely matte, and this is more like a skin tint, you know. It is a little orangish color, and it will also give you not coverage really, but it works like a little bit of a skin tint, you know. So yeah, I really really enjoy the sunscreen. Next up, I have a hair care product with me. I have the Scale Pro Daily Anti-Dandruff shampoo. Now this is what this shampoo looks like. This is the smaller bottle. Now I got the smaller one first because ये मैंने पहले कभी भी try नहीं किया था. But now that I have emptied it, I have already repurchased it. इसका बड़ा वाला जो bottle है, बड़ा वाला जो version है, that's currently there in my washroom, and I absolutely love it. I've already repurchased it and I will repurchase it again and again in the future. I'll tell you why. If you're somebody who's suffering with bad dandruff, you have like bad dandruff issues in your hair, itchy scalp ka problem hai, then your wait ends here because this is a perfect product. I mean, there are other good anti-dandruff shampoos in the market as well. I love the one from Bare Anatomy, unka jo green packaging hai, I love that. But this does the job really really well, and it's not very expensive also. This one is for rupees 200 for a 100 ml bottle, which I think is absolutely amazing because ये हम लोग को कुछ 1-1.5 महीने easily चला, and then we replace this with its bigger bottle. So yeah, it works perfectly fine. Talking about some makeup, I have with me the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. इसको मैंने इतना ही यूज किया है कि इसके ऊपर का जो ब्रांडिंग वगैरह है ना, सब उठ गया है, सब चला गया है. पूरी तरीके से ये मस्कारा ड्राई हो चुका है. So I've thoroughly used it and used it so much, and this literally is my favorite mascara जो मैंने 2024 में बहुत यूज किया है. उसके बाद I have purchased the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, which again is a very good mascara. This mascara is still available. आप लोग को ये Nykaa पे definitely मिल जाएगा. So अगर आप लोग एक अच्छा mascara ढूंढ रहे हो ना, then I think you can try either one. Like you can try the Lash Paradise Mascara, which is this one. You can also go in for the Panorama Mascara. If you personally ask me, I feel like the wand of the Panorama Mascara is a little bigger to work with, and this one is like a narrower wand. बट मुझे इससे भी उतना कुछ इशू नहीं है. लाइक जब मैं इसको यूज करती थी मुझे ये भी बहुत ज्यादा पसंद था. इफ यू वांट मोर फुलर एंड फ्लटरी आई लैशेस, आई थिंक यू गाइज विल लाइक द पैनोरामा वन मोर. बट ये मैं डेफिनेटली रिपर्चेज करूंगी कभी ना कभी, डेफिनेटली येस, बिकॉज व्हाइल आई वाज यूजिंग दिस आई रियली हैड एंजॉयड यूजिंग दिस वन. नेक्स्ट हम बात करेंगे अबाउट अ फेस मास्क. आई हैव विथ मी द स्किन रेडियंस मास्क फ्रॉम फॉक्सटेल. मुझे पता नहीं है मैंने कितने वीडियोज में इसके बारे में बात किया है, सो आई विल speed through this one. If you guys are looking for a good face mask which will help reduce blackheads, improve skin clarity and tone, clean your pores, this comes with purple clay, kaolin clay and lactic acid. And if you have these kind of issues, थोड़े बहुत blemishes है या blackheads है, I think आप लोगों को definitely ये वाला use करना चाहिए. पूरा का पूरा ये खत्म हो चुका है, and this really came in with a lot of quantity because मैंने इसको काफी महीनों से यूज किया है, and I've emptied this finally in the month of March. Now coming to whether I will repurchase this, of course I will repurchase this. Right now I'm using this Multani Mitti mask from this brand which I can't recall right now, and another one from Plum, the green tea mask from Plum, and I have another one from Simple. Once I finish those masks, I will definitely repurchase this because while it lasted, I really enjoyed the experience. आप ये टब का कंडीशन देख के समझ पाओगे कि मैंने इसको कितना ज्यादा यूज किया है, राइट? एंड ये रिसेंटली मेरे किसी वीडियो में था, हाँ, बेस्ट सेलर्स फ्रॉम नायका वाले वीडियो में ही था, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ बेस्ट सेलर व्हेन इट कम्स टू लाइक द फेस मास्क, क्ले मास्क कैटेगरी. सो या, दिस वाज देयर इन दैट वीडियो. I will definitely repurchase this. And look at this, look at the frame, everything is lavender or purple including my watch. I'm loving this frame, you guys. Alright, वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग से एक भी फ्रेग्रेंस एम्प्टी के बारे में हमने बात नहीं किया है, so let's just talk about some fun fragrances. Alright, now I have this one empty from Zudio. This is a very very cute bottle. Look at that. I mean, this is something which you can easily throw into your handbag or purse and take it with you somewhere. Now this one was for only rupees 199. So जो ये मिनी परफ्यूम्स है ना, ये मिनी परफ्यूम्स का जो कॉस्टिंग, जो प्राइसिंग है वेस्ट साइड में, Zudio has like similar pricing, and just like Westside, even Zudio has some great fragrances, and trust me, these are long lasting as well. Okay, इस परफ्यूम का नाम है, EDP का नाम है Boom, is what I understand. Not a fan of the packaging because it's a very basic packaging, like एक glass bottle पे एक sticker चिपका दिया है, but it's a 199 rupees का EDP, so what more can we expect out of it? थोड़ा सा बचा है इसमें, so अभी spray कर लेते हैं. Now I don't know what notes this has, but it definitely has some floral note which is hitting me straight over here. I'm not getting a migraine, but it's a pretty enjoyable fragrance. बहुत fun fragrance है, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, बहुत वाइब्रेंट है, रिच एक फ्रेग्रेंस है, एंड आई थिंक समर के लिए डेफिनेटली आप इसको परचेज कर सकते हो इफ यू आर अंडर अ बजट एंड लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड EDP. डू ट्राई आउट बूम EDP फ्रॉम Zudio the next time you visit Zudio. Guys, I don't know if this is still available in Zudio, because just like Westside na, Zudio keeps experimenting with their fragrances and they keep bringing new fragrances and discontinuing old fragrances. So let's just hope that Boom is still available with them. Since they are not available online, I will not be able to link the EDP नीचे या talk to you guys about its availability. आप लोग को ही जाके check करना पड़ेगा ये available है कि नहीं. But for rupees 199, this is a bomb EDP, and I am definitely going to Zudio and check it out. अगर ये available रहा, I am definitely repurchasing it. Coming to another fragrance empty, this one is from Bath and Body Works. This is the You're the One fragrance mist. Look at that, you guys. This is what the packaging looks like. I have the smaller packaging with me. ये मैंने smaller packaging के 2-3 and बड़े वाला packaging 2-3 मैंने empty out किया हुआ है पहले. So इसके मैंने technically बहुत बार repurchase किया है, बहुत बार इसके बारे में बात भी किया आप लोगों के साथ. Bath and Body Works का one of the best fragrances is You're the One. But I have a problem here. I don't see You're the One का candle that much, and अभी तो मुझे You're the One का mist भी नहीं मिलता है. Either it is sold out or I cannot even see it on Nykaa. So I'm a little sad about that, but in case they bring it back, I am definitely going to be repurchasing it, because this is one of the best sweetest fragrances from Bath and Body Works, जो कि काफी long lasting भी है. While I talk to you guys about the fragrances, as always the notes will be mentioned somewhere on the screen, so that it's better for you to understand, because I am not an expert when it comes to explaining notes. Okay, I can recommend you good perfumes and mists, but मैं notes में थोड़ी सी कच्ची हूँ, but मैं mention कर देती हूँ यार screen पे. So yeah, that was that. Like I said, if I see it again on Nykaa or in the store, I am definitely repurchasing this one. Alright, next up I have another body care product. I have another shower gel with me. This one is the Peach and Avocado shower gel from Fiamma. Now this one is a very moisturizing, a very soothing kind of a shower gel, which I have used extensively recently, and I don't know if you will be able to make out on the video, but you can see some scrub particles out here. Now like it says, it's a peach and avocado fragrance wala shower gel, so it has a very fruity, fun summer vibe to it. So because we are in the summer right now, I think it's gonna be a fab shower gel for you guys to try out, also under a budget. Like these shower gels from Fiamma are so reasonable, and Fiamma also has many other variants, you know, so I will definitely order those, try those, and bring to you these videos जहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों के साथ इन products के बारे में बात करूँ and test out करूँ and reviews share करूँ आप लोगों के साथ. Now this particular shower gel is for rupees 149. Oh my god, and this is a 250 ml bottle, and यहाँ पे actually price लिखा है 259, but उसको cut करके उन्होंने 149 लिखा हुआ है, which is absolutely great. Yeah, I think I got it with some great offer, and I'm so happy about it. It's a very fun fragrance. I can, you know, smell the peach. Like avocado does not have a very like loud or prominent fragrance, right? So peach, so of course I can smell like right after opening the lid. I can clearly smell the peach, but it's a very very nice shower gel, you guys. And अगर आपको ये 149 का मिल रहा है ना 250 ml का बॉटल, प्लीज इसको छोड़ना मत. मैं तो डेफिनेटली इसको रिपर्चेज करने वाली हूँ. राइट नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग आउट सम शावर जेल्स from Nykaa and from Dove, and once those are over I am definitely repurchasing this one. All right, मेरे हर एक product empties वीडियो में एक तो फेस वॉश रहेगा ही. So this time I have with me the 2% salicylic acid face wash from Chemist at Play. This also comes with Cica, by the way. Now this is a face wash which I thoroughly used, enjoying. What did I just say? Which I thoroughly enjoyed using. Okay, I really enjoyed using this particular face wash, you guys. I mean, this one is such a nice face wash for your skin. If you have oily skin, if you have acne prone skin, your face skin is gonna love this face wash. Okay, and it's a very good product. Like whenever I used to use this na, I used to feel कि मेरे acne उतने ज़्यादा नहीं आ रहे. Like in general I don't get a lot of acne, but जो भी 2-3 आते हैं ना वो भी थोड़े से reduce हो गए थे, blemishes चले गए थे. And I was very happy using this face wash. बहुत ही अच्छे से like squeaky clean भी करता था ये मेरे face को. So I will definitely repurchase this. I have a soft corner for these face washes from Simple, CeraVe and Dot & Key. But yeah, कभी भी मौका मिले, I will definitely be repurchasing this. It's a very good one. This one is for rupees 300, and the quantity is also not bad. Yeah, it's a good 100 ml quantity. So you guys can definitely try this one out, especially if you have oily acne prone skin. You are absolutely gonna love this one. एक और fragrance की बात कर लेते हैं very quickly. I have with me the Layer Water Girl body mist in the variant Mystic Island. Now I had shown this to you guys in an Amazon haul video a few months back, and मैंने काफी टाइम लगाया इसको खत्म करने में, but finally it's over and it's right here in my product empties video. Now I really like this body mist. Okay, it's a very sweet and girly kind of a body mist. I really enjoy its fragrance. Its name is Mystic Island, and I think the name suggests the fragrance. The name describes the fragrance very well, because you legit feel like you are on a beach. You're sitting in a shack and you're sipping on your mocktail. बहुत ही beachy, fresh, aquatic fragrance है ये. So generally girls don't like such aquatic, fresh fragrances. Girls generally gravitate towards vanilla, musky, sweet fragrances, fruity floral fragrances. But अगर आप लोगों को fresh aquatic fragrances पसंद है, cool fragrances पसंद है, जो आप लोगों को बीच की याद दिलाए, आप definitely इसको खरीद सकते हो. Now I am somewhere on the fence with this one. I might repurchase it, I might not repurchase it. I feel like there are too many good body mists available in the market as of today. I love the ones from Nykaa, I love the ones from Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret. All of those brands have very good options when it comes to body mist. But if you are under a budget, college जाते हो, school girl हो, you can definitely try this one out. I am currently on the fence with this one. Okay, next I have this talcum powder, the Freshness talcum powder with The Freshness talcum powder with acacia honey. This one is from Pond's. It's their purple color wala talcum powder. I have the medium sized bottle with me right here. Now these are very inexpensive, guys. This one is for rupees 135. Okay. Now this one is basically just for putting on your face when it gets very hot, very sweaty. Of course you have your compact powders and you have your loose powders, but let's say it's very sweaty and you need to sort of put something on your face. I a lot of times don't feel comfortable using my what should I say, sponge and putting powder on my face like compact या फिर loose powder, because I feel like sweat में मैं वो sponge डालूंगी तो वो गंदा हो जाएगा. I am a little OCD when it comes to all of that. So then what I do is I just take some powder on my hands and I just pat some on my face and I feel so fresh instantly. This is, I think, like a summer essential product. I mean, if you want to just make your face look fresh instantly, it's a very good solution. Like I said, of course you have compact powders and your loose powders available in the market, but I somehow gravitate towards this one. Repurchase का तो पूछो ही मत, मैंने बहुत बार repurchase किया है, आगे भी करूंगी. But I feel like ये purple से ज़्यादा जो इनका pink वाला variant है, उसमें कुछ floral touches है I think. मुझे उसका fragrance भी ज़्यादा पसंद है और उसका जो sweat पे hold होता है ना, मुझे वो भी ज़्यादा पसंद है. So if it comes to repurchasing, I think I will go for the pink one and not this purple one. Alright you guys, I've come down to the last few products of this video. Okay, next one is a hair care product. I have with me the Ultra Smoothing Hair Mask from Bare Anatomy. This is the dabba, you guys, the packaging, and पूरा ही मैंने इसको खत्म कर दिया है. Last week only I emptied this, like totally emptied this. Hair mask is something which you should not be applying on your scalp, on your roots. It should just go on your hair lens. And I have benefited so much from this mask. I thoroughly enjoy this mask. I think when it comes to masks, I love the ones from L'Oreal. From Love Pure and Planet, I love their argan oil and lavender one. And from Bare Anatomy, this is currently my favorite. I already have another bottle in my washroom, and this is something that I reach out to whenever I have a hair wash day. This is definitely going to be a part of my routine. I plan to film a hair care routine video very soon, guys. So yes, आप लोगों ने ना request किया था hair care video, तो वो मैं बहुत जल्द आप लोग के लिए लाने वाली हूँ. Trust me on that. Give me some time. I'm working on it, and I'm gonna get that video to you guys very soon. But yes, if you guys are looking for a good hair mask under rupees 700, 800, please try the one from Bare Anatomy, their Ultra Smoothing Hair Mask. Again, another brand which I don't see a lot of people talking about. People talk about Love Beauty and Planet, people talk about L'Oreal, but इसका मैंने उतना नहीं सुना है appreciation, but I am appreciating and I am telling you कि इसको try करो, you will not regret it. I have another dabba, like I said, in the washroom, and आगे भी repurchase करती रहूंगी यार, no doubt about that. We've also emptied this toothpaste from Colgate. This is the purple variant of Visible White. So this basically, you know, color corrects yellow tones on first use. So basically, हमने तो yellow tone के लिए इसको नहीं लिया था. हमने as a normal toothpaste इसको लिया था because we wanted to try out something different. We were getting bored with the same old Pepsodent and Colgate के जो variants आते हैं ना. We were a little bored with all of that. So we wanted to try out something different. ये हमें दिखा Swiggy Instamart पे, and we ordered this one. And it's a very good toothpaste. This has a minty sort of an essence to it, and it's like any regular toothpaste that you've used, but purple in color. What the research that I've seen is that on this color palette ना, purple and yellow बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के opposite आते हैं, which is why purple really goes against yellow, fights against yellow. So if you're somebody who is fighting with yellow teeth, I think you can definitely try this one out. या फिर अगर आप अपनी usual routine toothpaste से बोर हो गए हो, then also you can try this one out. अभी तो ये सारे quick commerce platforms पे available है. Next, I'm gonna talk to you guys about two compact powders. Both of these I really love, but I'm gonna tell you which one I'm gonna repurchase and which one I am probably not going to repurchase. This one is the Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder from L'Oreal. Now, इसकी अगर मैं बात करूँ, इसका इशू है कि ये कंडीशन में है. So empty technically इसको नहीं बोल सकते. This has come out like in the form of powder, total powder के form में आ गया है. And this K Beauty one, K by Katrina, this is in the shade. Which shade is this, guys? हाँ, 100N Light. Okay, ये वाला proper empty है. कि आप देख सकते हो कुछ भी नहीं है इधर, पूरा खत्म है. But ये वाला is so disappointing that this is the condition. Now, हाँ, इसका मैं आप लोगों को शेड बता देती हूँ in case it's helpful for you people. It's in the shade 180 Rose Sand. Okay. Now I love both of these compact powders, but chances of repurchasing more अगर किसी में है तो वो है ये K by Katrina वाला. And मैंने इसको repurchase already कर लिया है because मैं currently भी इसी को use कर रही हूँ. I have another packaging with me right here. I'll show you. This is the one that I've emptied, and I have another one with me right here. So you can see clearly कि मैंने इसको already repurchase कर लिया है. Now coming to the L'Oreal one, it's not like मैंने इसको repurchase पहले कभी नहीं किया है. This is not the first packaging that you're seeing right here. You're seeing the fourth or the fifth packaging of this product. Now the problem with this product is that it's a very good product, but the packaging is not good or the formula is not good. Something मतलब ये ना जब आप लोग use करोगे आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि टेक्निकली जो यहाँ पे लिखा है ना ऊपर फाउंडेशन इन अ पाउडर, ये टेक्निकली वो ही है. आपको पूरा फाउंडेशन जैसा कवरेज देगा. इट्स सो सीमलेस, सो स्मूथ, बट इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रैवल विद, सो डिफिकल्ट टू यूज. इन अ स्क्वायर शेप पूरा भरा हुआ रहता है, एंड इन अ फ्यू डेज टाइम ना इट स्टार्ट्स क्रैकिंग अप लाइक दिस. So it's a little difficult to use it, but otherwise, you know, coverage wise, it's excellent. Coverage wise, I feel like it's much better than K Beauty. Look at that. Look at that. but because that packaging is so sleek, so easy to carry around, it doesn't flake up into powder and pieces. I love going for that for convenience sake. But product wise, ये मेरा प्यार है. I love this. I really enjoy using this. But हाँ, पैकेजिंग से मुझे शिकायत है गाइस. अभी जो है सो है. Can't help it, but yeah, that's that. Last two products of this video, I have with me this foot cream from Vilva. I have spoken to you guys about this, I think, in my bestseller video. But yeah, it's a very, very good foot cream. I have spoken to you guys so many times about this recently, but I'm here again talking to you guys about it. पूरा खाली है, देख लो please अच्छे से. This is for my dry cracked heels. Moisturize करने के लिए मैं इसको use करती हूँ. Comes with mint and some other very good ingredients. I think it has clove, it just might have. It's very, very hydrating, moisturizing, and very, very, very nice for my feet. Have I repurchased it? Yes, I have. It's currently on my side table and I will keep repurchasing. Last product for today's video is another makeup product. I have with me the Khoobsurat lip shade from this Nykaa Matte to Last range, I think. And this is a beautiful, like, nudish pink shade. So this is the swatch, you guys. Look at that color. It's a beautiful, like a pinkish nude color. No, this is not the one that I'm wearing today. Today I have a lip color from Color Bar. This is a separate lipstick. It's totally dried up. बट हाँ, स्वॉच करने के लायक प्रोडक्ट बाकी था. ये भी मैंने पहले बहुत बार आप लोगों को दिखाया है. लाइक आई रीच आउट टू दिस शेड अ लॉट. I am somebody na, I don't like experimenting that much with lipsticks. You will never see me wearing very brown or very nude or very maroon or very red. I like my pinks. I stick to my pinks. And finding that perfect shade for me is very important. And this particular shade, Khoobsurat, from this range, is the perfect shade for me, for my skin tone. I love it. I keep repurchasing it. I again have it in my vanity. So when it comes to repurchasing, of course, I've already repurchased it. So those were all the products that I wanted to show you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. In case you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye-bye.